Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check Mimu firmware and the companion app are on compatible versions, and enable Bluetooth or Wi-Fi now. Grant microphone and notification permissions so Mimu can listen and respond. Once done, put Mimu within 1-2 meters of your phone or PC and create a simple trigger message, like, "Hello Mimu." Make sure to save that message in the app, because these first steps let Mimu receive and process input immediately. Next, configure how messages become reactions. Open message handling and map each trigger phrase to a specific reaction or animation. Adjust the recognition confidence threshold so Mimu ignores weak matches, and set short timing delays to avoid overlapping actions. Once done, input several sample phrases that cover variations and test them in a quiet room. Make sure to iterate. Tweak thresholds and delays based on failures, because this tuning. Finally, run a full test with multiple messages and observe Mimu's reactions, noting any failed matches or timing glitches. Recalibrate audio sensitivity and update reaction mappings where responses were incorrect. Make sure to save each change. Once done, iterate until behavior is consistent. If things go wrong, a key troubleshooting tip: reboot Mimu and your phone, reauthorize permissions, then reset thresholds to default before retuning. This clears transient states and often fixes recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.